So if I were to go around over here on the compose area, then over here on the top, you can go around and type in something. And what happens is that the respective contacts pop up. If you want to go ahead and add in these contacts beforehand, then you can add them manually as well. So let me just go around and close it. And then let me just go around and get out or around over here onto the show panel, side panel button right here. Once you click on it, we actually have access to Google Calendar, Google Keep, tasks, and contacts, as you can see right here. So let me just go around onto the contact page, and it loads up a mini page right here, and it says there's no contact. So let me just go around, click on get started right here, and then it actually opens up a new tab over here in the browser, and you got the contact. So you can go around and create out a contact or import out a contact, but contacts is not what we're focusing on this tutorial series. So I'm just going to go around and click on create contact right here, and just go around and maybe change around the country right here, just like this, and then change around, let's say for example, email right here, just like this. And over here, I'm going to add in an email address called example right here. So I'm just going to go around and say example2@example.com. let's say for example. So I'm just going to make up an email address right here, and then click on save. So once you do that, what happens is that under the contact, you got the example email contact right here. So now if I were to go around over here, and let me just go around and refresh this, and then compose out an email. So you can see that the contacts are still over here on the right side, and you can still see the contacts right here. If I were to click on it, you see the contact details over here as well. Now let me just close this, and over here, let me type E right here, and you immediately have access to the example email from the contact right here. That is because Google Mail, that is Gmail, is directly synced out with Google Contacts that you have right here. So you can select it out and then just go around and mail it. And that is how you can go around and add in contacts to be used in Gmail manually. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.